Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over how to sell your tickets on Ticketmaster. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who need to get rid of their tickets fast. This was the situation that I was in, and I was able to sell my tickets on the day of the event. So what you'll do is that you'll log into your Ticketmaster account and then click on My Account and then click on Upcoming Events. Now, your page is going to look different from mine because you should have an upcoming event here. For our example, I'm going to use a past event. So click on your upcoming event here and then you'll reach your event page that looks like this. Next, you'll click on Sell Tickets. And with that, you'll be able to set the pricing for your tickets. Now, what I did in order to sell my tickets on the same day of the event is that I would actually search for my event on Ticketmaster and I would actually price it based on the lowest price that's being sold for in my particular section. So if I'm selling tickets for section 107, I'll look at the prices for tickets in section 107 in the concert map and then undercut it by like $5. So on the same day of my event, I was able to sell my tickets within about 3 hours or so, but it took some time. And once you sell your tickets, you'll receive a notification through email saying that you can sell your tickets. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and sell your tickets on Ticketmaster. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.